Hello, I'm back with another makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to do a kind of like pink or peachy look. This might be perfect for Valentine's Day or anytime you want to, get a very soft pink look. I'm going to start off by tying my hair. And sorry, the backdrop is not looking as good as before. I'm back at school, so this is all I got. Kind of a nasty background for you. I'm gonna put in my contacts first. I'm like practically blind without any contacts or glasses. So I'm gonna start off with the Zero Fit Primer. Then I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. Okay, now I'm going to move on to mascara. Do you guys find it difficult when you're doing like mascara, how it's like kind of hard to like keep your mouth closed? Like if I don't consciously think about it, my mouth would just be like. But like when I'm recording a video, I'm like way more aware of that, so I try not to do that, because then when I edit it by myself, I'm gonna cringe. This layer will be okay for now. How did I miss that? I'm so clumsy. You know, like right before when I was trying to record this video, I literally like squished my fourth finger between my table and my like seat. It hurts. Stupid shit like that happens to me like every day. I don't know how to fix it because like it just happens and I just happen to be clumsy. It sucks. That's all I can say. So I'm gonna move on next to doing my brows. Then I was about to drop this. Then I'm gonna brush this out. Is put on some eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. To start off, I'm just gonna use Georgia, this very light pink color, and I'm gonna put it as a base on my eyelids. I think I'm gonna do the Candied Peach next. And I'm gonna put it more on the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm gonna use the Just Peachy. I think I'm gonna put it in the more towards the inner eye. I'm gonna go in a little bit more with the Candy Peach and then put it more on the outside of my eye. Just so we can darken it up a little bit. I think it's a little bit lighter than I want it to be. What do you think? I think I'm gonna add a little bit of this Summer Yum, but like also the very outer corner of my eye, just so we can darken it up a little bit. What I'm gonna try to do next is I'm gonna put this color Luscious towards the center of my eye. What I'm gonna do next is gonna apply the next round of mascara. I'm gonna close this palette for right now, and I'm gonna put on some eyeliner. Eyeliner done. Then I'm going to go into caramelized. And we're just gonna put that little bit of brown eyeshadow to blend in the eyeliner a little bit. Color actually might not be dark enough, so I'm gonna go into Charmed, I'm Sure, just to add a little bit more. This is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna use the same brush and use whatever I have excess here and put it on my under eye. I like to draw a little bit of a slight line out. I'm gonna move on to putting on some lashes. This is how I get impatient and I just start sticking it on my eye even though it's not fully dry. Yeah, you know, I'm fine. Also, I don't know if any of you guys who have duo eyelash, but the glue like smells like bad. I don't know if you noticed that too, but every time like I use this, it just reminds me how like bleh, it smells. What I'm gonna move on to next is putting on some blush. Let's see, what should I do next? Bronzer. Do I need bronzer? Maybe just a little. Some highlight on the inner corners of my eye. Oh, I'm an idiot. I forgot to show you what I used. This color right here. It's called the Risk Taker. I'm gonna go back into the Sweet Peach Too Faced palette and I'm just gonna add a little bit more pink to this middle part of my lid. Bottom lid. I'm going to use the color Caramelized. Okay. Oh, the color is Honey Matte Lipstick. I really like this color. It pairs so well with the chapstick because the chapstick kind of dilutes the really dark color of this, like a very nice nude color, and it suits my skin. Last step for makeup, I'm gonna put on some powder. I'm gonna grab a little bit of highlighter for the nose bridge. That is it for the makeup part. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. This would be a very nice Valentine's Day or very pink peachish look. Instead of boring you guys, I'm gonna go do my hair. I haven't decided whether or not to do it straight or curl it, but you shall see soon. Surprise, surprise, I decided to curl my hair, and before I end this video, I actually have a new pair of earrings that I just ordered, and I got the text message that it just got shipped. I mean, not shipped, delivered, and it's right outside my door. So I'm gonna go get that, and then we can try those earrings on and see how they look with this entire look. This is like a pair of earrings that I got off of Etsy. The brand is called Eyebrow. So one is for the lobe and then one's for my cartilage. Oh, I'm an idiot. I was like looking for the second package, but I'm assuming they put it all in one box. been like waiting for this shit. Ooh, this is so pretty. I believe these are all handmade, so can't wait to try it on. Oh my god, this is gonna make me want to wear hoops more. I always thought I looked really bad with small hoops, but I guess if they're like thick enough, it actually doesn't look bad on me at all. Okay, so then let's do the cartilage one. I'm actually just like so in love with this hoop earring though. Definitely gonna be a new staple. I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.